homologous genes occurring in different species are called which of the following? So we will first look into these different terms with respect to what does it actually refer to. So these terms are names, or they are terms given to homologous genes with respect to the event of gene duplication. So gene duplication is an event wherein a gene undergoes duplication and gives rise to a copy of itself. It has taken place in several genes, for example globin genes. So let's imagine this globin gene which has undergone gene duplication. So after the duplication event, the globin gene now has two kind of copies. One codes for alpha chain, so that's called the alpha chain gene, and the other codes for beta chain, so that's called the beta chain gene. Now these are genes which are present in different organisms. So this is how the genes are present in different organisms. If you look at the alpha chain on the left, it's present in frog, human, and mouse, and the gene copies respectively are called frog alpha, human alpha, and mouse alpha genes. Similarly, beta genes which are present in all these different organisms are called mouse beta genes, human beta genes, and frog beta genes. If you look at the evolutionary relationship of these genes, they basically are of similar evolutionary history, wherein the human and mouse genes are closer to each other in terms of evolutionary relatedness as compared to the frog sequence. So now, when the terms orthologous, paralogous, these terms are referred to see how these genes are present in different organisms. So let's look at the green part first, which is orthologous. So orthologous, if you can see here, it refers to frog alpha, human alpha, mouse alpha. Basically, the same gene, but it is present in different organisms. So that's orthologous because they are present in different species, but they are the same gene. Paralogous, which is denoted by blue here, it refers to mouse alpha and mouse beta. So one organism but has two copies of a single gene, alpha and beta. So that's those two copies are paralogous. And all these genes, alpha and beta of human, mouse, or frog, they are called homologs because they are all related to each other by an evolutionary relationship. So our question said two homologous genes which are occurring in different species. So homologous genes, basically these genes share evolutionary history and they are present in different species. So they are called orthologous species or orthologous genes. So to know more about the genome and genome organization, you can refer to this course offered by NPTEL.